second derivative plus 4 into s square of y bar of s minus s into y of 0, y dash of 0 plus 5 into s of y of 5 into s of y bar of s minus y of 0 plus 2 into y bar of s is equal 10 into Laplace transform of cos t. Cos t యొక్క formula Laplace transform cos t s by s square plus 1 and put right here right side also 10 into something. So the initial value we can substitution, we get is the in charge taken common. So s cube plus 4s square plus 5s plus 2 into y bar of s is equal to right side part is, so only that is called is 3. So 10s plus s square plus 1 plus 3. So we have to simplification 3s square plus 10s plus 3 by s square plus 1. So this is y bar of s is equal to right side part is also. So what happened is, so we can down the factors 3s square plus 4 10s plus 3 by what happened is, so we taken s square plus 1 into s cube plus 4s square for 5s plus 12 5s plus 2, 5s plus 2. So 3s square plus 10s plus 3 by s square plus 1 same. So we got a s cube plus 4s square plus 5s plus 2 is our factors. What is the factors are there? S plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. We got a partial fractions. So what is the partial fractions are there? So this is 3s square. Now I have to take in 3s square plus 10s plus 3 by is equal to s plus 2 into s plus 1 is a whole square. This is s square plus 1 is a, what is the first one? A by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 1 plus c by partial fraction s plus 1 whole square. So this is the complex numbers. Complex numbers factors. This is called is ds plus e by ds by se plus by s square plus 1. So we get a partial fraction equating. So a is equal to something. A is equal to minus 1. B, we are solving. We can find that intermediate level. A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 1. E is equal to 2. This is our values are there. We get. So what is the y bar of s? So what is the y bar of s is equal? We get minus 1 by s plus 2 plus 2 by s plus 1. Next to plus 2 by s plus 1 is a whole square. Next to minus s by s square plus 1. Next to plus 2 by s square plus 1. We get y bar of s. What is the y bar of s? Laplace transform of y of t. Laplace transform of y of t is equal to y bar of s. We take Laplace transform right side. What is the y of t? This is y of t is equal to right side is a inverse is equal to minus inverse Laplace transform of n, it's 1 by s plus 2. So this is called plus 2 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 1 plus 2 into, this is a plus 2 into also inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 1 whole square. So this is minus inverse Laplace transform of s by s square plus 1. So this is next inverse Laplace transform 2 into inverse Laplace transform 1 by s square plus 1. So s by s square plus 1 is equal to inverse Laplace transform cos t. Cos a is equal to 1. Cos at cos t. So cos t 1 by s square plus 1 Laplace transform is equal to sin t. So sin t. So we get his answer is first one. Laplace transform 1 by s plus 2 is equal to e power of minus 2t. So Laplace inverse Laplace transform 1 by s plus 1 is equal to e power of minus t. So inverse Laplace transform s plus 1 whole square is equal to, so what is now s plus 1 whole square is equal to, we got a result is e power of minus st. We taken shifting theorem. E power of minus st shifting from 1 by s square. 1 by s square and 2t. So got what happened? Minus 2t into e power of minus t. So minus cos t plus 2 sin t. So that is a this is the problem of the, so initial value problems are SAQ 2 in the question in the problem is completed. So next is 8.6 in page number 235. So in page number 235 we got a results is, so we have to apply 235 in page number 235. Now, so what is the 235 in Laplace transform? Simultaneously Laplace transform of equations. So like with the one type of the question is also 233 this type of. So what is the delta of t minus 5? So find the solution of the initial problem y double dash. So this is called this y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to delta into t minus 5. T minus 5. So y of 0 is equal to 0. Y dash of 0 is equal to 0. What is the situation? So we call this. So delta is initial step modulo function. So we can చూడండి. So first Laplace transform of y double dash minus 2 Laplace transform of y dash plus 2 into Laplace transform of y is equal to the Laplace transform of delta of t minus 5. So what is the delta of t minus 5 is equal to? So is equal to e power of minus 5. Yes. Delta function and the e power of function. So this is the second question is y double dash is equal to, this is the value is equal to right side part is equal to formula e power of minus 5s. T minus 5 e power of minus 5s. This is the delta error in the function. So e power of minus 5. We have to the simplification next time in the overall same. Y double dash formula s square y bar of s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 same into product minus 2 into s of y bar of s. So minus y of 0. This is called is same into next is plus 2 of y bar of s is equal to e power of minus 5s. Same thing we have to initial values. Y of 0, y dash of 0 is the values are 0. Remaining values are simplification. What is the simplification? S square minus 2s plus 2 into y bar of s is equal to e power of minus 5. So e power of minus 5 into s. So we take down. So y bar of s is equal to e power of minus 5s by. So s square minus 2s in plus 2. So in plus 2. So e power of minus 5s is equal to e power of minus 5s is equal to inverse Laplace transform. What is the inverse Laplace transform? Y of t is equal to inverse Laplace transform of e power of minus 5s by s minus 1 whole square plus 1. S minus 1 whole square plus 1 and we got a result s square minus 2s plus 1 and plus 2 in same equation. So got first shifting property we got a apply. So got e power of t into sin t plus ikkada u of 5 t into e power of point. So it is called this inverse Laplace transform as u of t 5 into t power of u of 5 to e power of t minus 5 into sine of t minus 5. So e power of t. So e power of t minus 5. So sine of t minus 5. That is a u5. So e power of minus 5t name raskochu u of 5t. So this is the answer is in the same situation we can do apply. So the page number 234 we have the practice delta of t minus 5. You can apply delta of t minus 5 is called e power of minus 5. Yes. So we have to clear the continuation. So next is a simultaneous differential. So simultaneous equation page number 235. So we have the equation example 6 problem. What is the 6th problem is dx by dt. This is the dx by dt, example 6 in 235. So this is called is example 6, 235. dx by dt is plus 5x minus 2y is equal to 1. dy by dt plus 2x plus y equal to 0. A simultaneous equations, we can x of 0 is equal to 0, y of 0 equal to 0. So we have to take the Laplace transform. So what is the Laplace transform of first derivative, second derivative? So we both sides, both equation Laplace transform. So what about is the Laplace transform? Right side is the t value. So what is a d by dx? So the Laplace transform s into y bar of s into y, s into x bar of s. So minus x bar of 0, x bar of 0 plus 5 into x bar of 0. So minus 2y into y bar of 0 is equal to Laplace transform of t is equal to what is now 1 by s square. So 1 by s square. Now, so this is a simplify. What is the equation? Y and equations are there in solving. So this is a clear. So what happened is s plus 5 into x of x bar of s minus 2y bar of s is equal to 1 by s square. One equation. So next equation is called as 2 into x bar of s plus s plus 1 into y bar of s is equal to 0. Your second equation. First and second equation solving. So what is the x bar of s? By using the Cramer-Sills simultaneous equations, by using the Cramer-Sills simultaneous equations, what is now in page number 236, student. So x bar of s is equal to Cramer's rule apply. So 1 by x square into 2 comma 0 comma s plus 1, the partial is a divided by delta 1 by delta. What is the delta? So determinant of s plus 5. So s plus 5. So is minus 2 into s plus 1. So this is a determinant we can do solving. So we get is denominator or everything. So x bar of s is equal to s plus 1 by. What is the we get is the result is s plus 1 by. So s plus 1 by. So s square into s plus 3 is a whole square. This is y bar of. So this is x bar of s. So we got a partial fractions s plus 1 by s square, s plus b is a whole square, s plus 3 whole square. What is the partial fractions are there? Very simple. S plus 1 by s square, s plus 3 is a whole square is equal to a by s plus b by s square, b by s square plus d by s plus c plus 3 plus d by. So what is the d by? S plus 3 whole square, d by s plus 3 is a whole square. We get a value, b value, c value, and d value. What is the a is equal to 1 by 27, b value 1 by 9, c is equal to minus 1 by 27, d is equal to minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9. These values is substitute. Okay, this substitutes in partial fractions. This is y bar of s is equal to. What is the y bar of s is equal to? This is y bar of s. So y bar of s is equal to. So y bar of s is equal to 1 by 27 into 1 by s. So plus 1 by 9 into 1 by s square minus 1 by 27 into 1 by s plus 3 minus 2 by 9 into s plus 2 is a whole square. So this is expand normal fraction 1 by s is equal to 1 by s. So this is called is 1 by s is equal to Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is equal to 1 by 27. Ante this is inverse apply cheyandi. What is the inverse we take now? 1 by 27 into inverse Laplace transform 1 by s. So next time plus 1 by 9 into inverse Laplace transform of. So 1 by 9 s square minus 1 by s square minus 1 by 27 into inverse Laplace transform 1 by s plus 3. So minus 2 by 9 into inverse Laplace transform of s plus 3. We got a simplification. So this is the type of in simultaneous equation. So it's a clearly now. So we got a result is for simultaneously differential equations. We find out x by this is y bar of s. Find out what is the y of t is equal. So it is 4 by 27 minus 2 by 9 e power of t. Only t 4 by 27 e power of minus 3t minus 2 by 9 into e power of minus 3t. So what is the x bar is equal to also we can find also same thing. So this simultaneous equation is also we have to practice. This problem is in 237 is completely totally. So it is completed the Laplace transform. So next is, so it is a topic is So the Hankel transform. The Hankel transform in 247. Because easy topic, this is the topics are there.
Sir, tensors
is at the tensors for the easy topic I will take and continue. So
okay,
that is at
3 lessons are there, sir.
What is now transformation, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, application Laplace transform completed. Hankel Z transform conta cos to integral equation integration to tensor calculus 1. So what is now I'm telling next two topics you will tell me integral equation 1, integral equation 2, and first unit calculus of variation 1, calculus of variation 2, and third topic multiple integrals and also Fourier series. Fourier series 1, 2, 3, 4 topics will be taken also. Next is so integral equation 1, integral equation 2. So and 16th topic is green function. These all topics will be there. I am to next to gap is there. So many days gap there. I will prepare the notes. You can send the your group in PDF group. So in PDF group, I have to explain these topics also. Now
okay,
again, it is so now present is we take now.
In calculation of variations kuda cheptara sir?
Cheptanu. Okay, it is a calculus of variation. I will take now.
First and second lesson.
First and second. So now we will take now first lesson today open in calculus of variation. In time is there. It is
multiple integrals chala important sir.
Multiple and 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 topics are there important also. And yes, I'm taking 6th, 7th, 8th topic will be completed.
Already finished, sir.
Finished. So I will take next to class 11th, 12th, and 16th. 11th, 12th, 16th also I will give you the notes also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chaptan. Okay. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lo. Suppose okay, we'll take and open the page number. Textbook page number. We take page number 64. 64. This is a 64 page number. Not there. It is a 65. The 65 definition. I will definition. So all of you are open the 65 page number in Fourier series. Fourier series in BSc level. So Fourier series. All of you are open. Okay, I will start the definition.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So definition 1, a function f of x is called. All of you are open the page number 65. A function f of x is called is a period. Period. If it is a defined whole real number x and there is a some positive p such that what is now period is function f of x plus p is equal to f of x. I think that is called for all x. Then p is called is a period of the function f of x. F of x plus p is equal to f of x for all x. Where is the p is a positive integer or natural number. That p is called is a period of the function. Best example, f of x is equal to n diskuntam sin x. So what is now f of sin x? Sin x plus 360 degrees. 360 degrees is meaning or f of x plus 2 pi. X plus 2 pi. What is now sin of x plus 2 pi? Sin 360 plus theta. Sin 360 plus theta is equal to sin theta. So it is sin x. What is now sin x function? The sin x is a period. What is the period? Sin x is a period. Sin of 2 pi plus x, 3x plus x is equal to sin x. What is now p? P is equal to 2 pi. Sin function period is 2 pi. Cos function is also 2 pi. Cos 360 plus 2 pi, 2 pi plus x. Cos 360 plus theta is equal to cos theta. This is a cos x. What is the cos function is? Cos x is always in positive in 2 pi. Sin and cos functions are there. A period is in 2 pi. First example is taken. So all of you have taken the so cost
Your voice break out.
okay. X cos x, sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x, or periodic function is 2 pi. What is the sin automatic? It is the inverse cosecant x. Cos x the automatically is secant x. Sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x. So this period is function is 2 pi. So this is the 2 pi. So tan and cot x. Tan, what is the tan is a tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan x. Okay now. So cot 180 plus theta is equal to cot of is equal to cot x. This is called is cot function, tan function is period is pi. So the cot of x, tan x and cot x, the period is in pi degree, 180 degrees. Okay now. So this is the diagram. What is the diagram? Is the diagram is called is a sin cos functions is there. This is a clear. This is a sin cos functions is there. This is called is a positive number. So we take now in positive number p. So this is a so p is a period. Okay, the period of the function sin and cos function diagram. So 65 phase is completed. We have go to the result. So 66. P is a period. F of x is then NP is also period of f of x. P is a period of f of x. Okay. Then NP is also a period of f of x. N is any positive integer. F of x plus NP is equal to NP is equal to f of x. N is not equal to 0. N is any integer. Cos of x plus 4 pi, cos of x plus 2 into 4 pi. So called like that is a period. So next second result. F of x and g of x have a period p. Then h of x is equal to a into f of x plus b into g of x is also period is p. So what is now f of x and g of x is a period is p. This is a period p. A into f of x plus b into g of x. What is the period? This addition also period is also p. So it is a period function. So next is periodical example which are f of x is a period. So f of ax, a not equal to 0. So this is f of x is a period is a p. Then f of ax is a period is also. So what is a p by a? This is a p by a. A is not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. For example, sin nx is a period is sin nx. Sin nx is a period is 2 pi by n. So tan nx is a period is pi by n. So pi by n. So this is it is a period. So the period of sum of periodic function is the least common multiples of the period. So that is called is least common multiple of the period. So for suppose example, sin x plus cos 2x is a period is defined. The least common multiple. So least common LCM. So LCM, least common multiple of the period of the sin x cos 2x is called as 2 pi. A constant function period is always p. So f of x is equal to c. The constant function is also period is p. So Fourier series topic. This is a hex. So what is a Fourier series in 66? A representation of periodic function in terms of simple periodic function of a great important science and engineering problems. We now discuss the expression of the function. A period p is equal to 2 pi. So in terms of simple function, so cos x, sin x, cos 2x, sin 2x, cos nx, cos mx also. This is called as a sine function, a cos function. This is a 0 degrees in 2 pi degrees. So what is now? It's a clear. This is called as cos function, cos x. This is pi degree. What is the cos 2x function diagram is? So this is called as, so we have to 0 in 2 pi degrees. So it is a pi degrees. So it is a clear. So this is a 2 pi cos 2x function. So cos 3x. This is a diagrammatically page number 67. The definition 2. What is a Fourier series? A series of the form. What is the series of the form? A naught plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x plus b2. What is a b2? Sin 2x plus next to a3. So what is a3? Cos 3x plus b3 sin 3x plus up to so on. What is up to so on? Plus an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So we have to write here. So a series is called is a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So the page number 67. So where a naught comma an comma bn, a real number constant, is called as a trigonometric series. So and a and bn are called as a coefficient series of. So this is the Fourier series we have to apply. The following different integral in formula intermediate level 0 to 2 pi cos nx integral formulas. So we got a integral formula. The result is totally integration formulas. By using my apply the topic is the results. What is the results? Is so many results is 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 9 problems are there. The results is very important. And integral part also in Japan, this is e power of ax into cos bx dx. What is the formula intermediate level? E power of ax by a square plus b square into, so a cos small a cos bx plus b sin bx. So next time is e power of integration, e power of ax into sin bx dx. And in starting Laplace transform, you can use this formulas. E power of ax by a square plus b square into, so a sin bx minus a sin bx minus b cos bx. So constant start and up to a cos in positive term, sin will be started, a sin term will be negative term, a cos bx plus b sin bx. So a sin bx minus b cos bx. So this is the formulas from, it is a Euler's formula. What is a Euler's formula? 4.3.1. F of x is a periodic function 2 pi. The interval is, what is the interval is called is alpha comma alpha plus 2 pi. So this is a interval. Suppose f of x represented by trigonometric series is f of x is equal to, what is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. This is equation 1. Where is a naught? What is a naught is equal? This is a naught is equal to interval. 1 by pi is interval. So what is the interval is called is a2. So a2 a plus a2. So this is alpha 2. So alpha 2 alpha plus 2 pi. So alpha 2 alpha plus 2 pi f of x dx. An is equal to 1 by pi into 0. Alpha 2 alpha plus 2i into f of x into cos nx dx. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 in page number 69. So bn is equal to formula 1 by pi into alpha plus 2 pi into f of x into sin nx into dx. N is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is a formula from a Euler's formula in Fourier series. So to find, this is the proof. To find the coefficients is a naught comma bn. So the values of a naught, a and bn in knowns are Euler's formula. So in finding the coefficients is a naught, an and bn of the series equation 1, assume that the series is uniformly convergent in the is alpha comma alpha plus 2 pi. It is can be integrated by term. X is equal to alpha 2, x is equal to alpha plus 2 alpha. So to find, so this is first we can find the first we can find the a naught. What is the find the equation 1? So x is equal to what is now? X is equal to alpha 2, x is equal to alpha plus 2 phi. X is equal to alpha 2 alpha plus 2 phi. So this is called this. the integration alpha to alpha plus 2 pi, alpha to alpha plus 2 pi, f of x into dx, f of x into dx is equal. So what happened is alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. So alpha plus 2 pi. So what is now f of x? What is now f of x is a naught by 2 into dx plus next time. So alpha to alpha plus 2 pi into the summation. So summation is n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx whole bracket in dx. So the terms will be, it is not taken in zero term, only this is the terms are there. What is now a naught by 2 into 1 into dx is x. So the x is the limits are there. What is the limits are there? Alpha plus 2 pi. So upper limit minus a naught by 2, upper minus lower, alpha plus 2 pi minus alpha. This is alpha cancel, a naught by 2 into 2 pi. So this is called 2 is cancel. What is the answer is a naught pi. So a naught pi. So this is a naught of pi. A naught is equal to what happened? So what naught? F of x is equal to, what is f of x is equal to? So the integration, what is the integration? So alpha to alpha plus 2 pi into f of x dx is equal to, we get what is now a naught pi. So what is a naught is equal to 1 by pi into integration alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. So integration f of x dx is a naught value find out. So we get, so we get is the, to find the coefficient is an. So to find the coefficient of n, multiplying the equation 1 cos nx, integrating with respect to x, x is equal to alpha plus 2 pi. So what is now left hand side both sides we can. So what is now cos nx and cos nx is a product, equation 1 both side, left side and right side in product. The integration will be both. Take integration, take limits. What is the limits integration? 0 alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. So alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. So we got a result is the left hand side is alpha to alpha plus 2 pi into what happened is f of x into cos nx, cos nx dx, integration with respect to x. So a naught by 2 integration alpha to alpha plus 2 pi into cos nx into dx. So next to alpha to alpha plus 2 pi in take summation. The summation a n cos nx in product cos x. Next to summation is plus alpha to alpha plus 2 pi into the summation bn into sin bnx into, so bn into sin nx into cos nx dx. So we got a result is from 1, 8 and 5. So we got a result only under remaining. So cos nx ku this integration will be there. Sin nx ku sin to pi is always is 0. And sin nx integration vastadi sin nx, cos nx integration is sin nx. This is sin nx. So sin nx got we take now. The sin nx is sin upper limit and lower limit alpha plus 2 pi minus alpha minus 2 pi. So got sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is always 0. So got what happened is called is only an into cos n. 2 cos a cos b nichi an term. So what is an by 2 take now? So the summation is called is 2 cos nx into cos square nx, cos square nx. So called 1 minus cos 2 nx by 2 apply 180 equation to only an pi. This is an pi. So what is now an is equal to, so 1 by pi into, so alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. So integration is f of x into cos nx. So same thing in similarly bn is also finding the both side integration sin nx. So with respect to integration x alpha to x plus alpha plus 2 same way. So we can get bn pi 2, second and 4 and 6 results. So second and 4 and 6 result equation. Now second and 4 and 6 result is equal to, so it is applied, that is called bn pi. So bn is equal to 1 by 5 into alpha plus 2 by 5 x into sin x. A naught, a and bn are called is Euler formulas. So corollaries alpha equal to 0 aithe. So alpha equal to 0. Alpha is a less than x is less than alpha plus 2 pi. So alpha is equal to 0. 0 is less than x is less than into pi. This is the period. So the formula is given from, what is the changes? This is a naught is equal to 1 by 5, 0 to 2 pi into f of x dx. A n is equal to 1 by pi, 0 to 2 pi into f of x into cos nx. Bn is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi into f of x into sin nx. So that is called is corollary. Alpha is equal to minus pi, the interval. So what is the interval is minus pi less than x is less than pi. So alpha is equal to minus pi we take now. So minus 5. So what is now the interval is changing. What is the a naught values? This is a naught is equal to 1 by pi into interval changing. This is minus pi to pi f of x dx. So an is equal to 1 by pi into minus pi to pi in pi f of x into cos nx dx. Bn is equal to 1 by pi into minus pi to pi f of x dx. The alpha depend on the 0, depend on the minus pi. So we can do the process a naught an an. So it is called this. Now it is a formula from, so it is a clearly, so page number 70, the definition 3. The trigonometric series f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, where a naught, an, bn are given Euler formulas, is called as a Fourier series of f of x. This is a Euler formula. So a naught, an, bn are called as Euler's formulate is called the Fourier series of f of x. And a naught, a1, bn, a naught, an, bn are called as Fourier coefficients or Fourier constant of f of x. So this is the definition is. Next is 71 page number. We got a result. We have to suppose one example. So example is 71 page number. See me. Very simple. F of x is equal to, we got e power of minus x. What is the interval? 0, 25. And what is the alpha value? 0. And indirectly. The Fourier series is 0 to pi. F of x is equal to e power of minus x. So what is now f of x is equal to e power of minus x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx. Okay, now plus bn into sin nx. This is the formula. So apply a naught. What is the a naught is equal to? We know that a naught is equal to, and also 1 by pi into 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to interval 0 to 2 pi char. So f of x into dx. So what is now 1 by pi into 0 to 2 pi? What is f of x? What is f of x is equal to? We know that e power of minus x dx. What is the e power of minus x integration? E power. This is 1 by pi into e power of minus x by minus 1. The limits is 0 to 2 pi. So this is 1 by pi into, what is now? Upper limit is e power of minus 2 pi minus lower limit is 0 plus e power of 0, 1. What is 1 by pi into 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi. This is a naught value. So it is a naught value, find out just now. What is take now? An value. What is a an value? An is equal to 1 by n. So 1 by pi into 0 to 2 pi. So 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi. An f of x into cos nx. So what is an is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi. F of x is e power of minus x cos nx into dx. Already this type of the formula, it is there results 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 result intermediate formula e power of ax into cos bx is equal to e power of ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx formula prachandi. So we get the result is there. What is the result is upper or lower limit? What is the another formula pressure is equal to 1 by pi e power of ax by. So this is the result is an is equal. So we got a result an is equal to, what is apply? 1 by pi. So this is e power of minus pi x. So 1 by 1 plus n square a cos x minus cos nx plus b sin x sin nx. So the limits is 0 to pi. Upper or lower limits we can apply. Ikkada cos n pi is equal to intermediate formula minus 1 whole power of n. N is equal to 0. Sin n pi always, sin n pi is equal to always 0. Sin cos n pi minus 1 whole power of n. We can apply. This is the formula. An value is equal to. So we simplify 1 by pi into 1 plus n square into 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi. Similarly, we can find the Bn formula, sin formula apply. So what is the Bn? We got a result is equal to n by pi into 1 plus n square. So into 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi. This is the formula from a Fourier series. So we have to apply f of x is equal to Fourier series e power of f of x is equal to formula in the V naught a naught. So a naught plus, so this is a Fourier series formula is a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So ikkada an value put them, bn value put them, a naught by value. What is f of x? Got it? This is e power of minus x is equal to, we got a result. So 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi by pi into 1 by 2 plus summation like that. N is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 1 plus n square cos nx. Summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n by 1 plus n square sin nx. This is a close. So we have the type of the problems. Example 1, I'm telling this one. And example 2, example 3, we have to practice. This is a problem in Fourier series. Only every time in the Fourier series formula. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. We can find a naught value, we can find an value, we can find bn value. Separate a naught value, separate an value, separate bn value. Find out and re-substitute the main equation. That is a Fourier series. We can use the results in practice in the intermediate formula. So to I am end of the class. Okay. Now it's a clearly now.
Next class epudu sir ippudu?
Oh, it is take more than some April dates. April, some 3 days are there. Something I don't know idea. It's so very long time. I am to prepare the notes also. I am to send in my work groups. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.